GitHub open pull request event trigger a Feishu message. First, we will go to cloud.vanus.ai. Sign in, I will use GitHub. Here, we need to authorize Vanus. Use Vanus Cloud to trigger a message to Feishu when someone makes a new pull request to your repository. Click Sign In. Install and authorize. Select your GitHub repo. Click Next. In the Feishu group, go to the Settings, Bots, Add Bot. Select Custom Bot. Name it and press Add. Copy the payload URL. Let's name it and press Submit. Now let's wait until it's running. Let's open a pull request.